Good morning, children. How are you? I think you are fine. So last time, Nana, you learnt numbers 1 to 20. You may forget numbers. That's why today I am going to revise numbers. Before write numbers, Nana, first we have to learn the strokes. If you learn the strokes, 5 strokes, you can write any number. The strokes names, Nana. This one is standing line. What is this, Nana? Standing line. This one is standing line. Standing line. This one is sleeping line. This one is sleeping line. This one is sleeping line. This one is left to face curve. Left to face curve. Left to face curve. This one is right face curve. Right face curve. This one is a right face curve. This one is circle. This one is circle. Again, Nana, I repeat, you also repeat after me. Standing line, sleeping line, left face curve, right face curve, circle. How to write this strokes, Nana? Like this. Standing line, top to bottom. Standing line, standing line. This one is sleeping line, sleeping line. This one is left face curve, left side facing. Left face curve, left face curve. This one is right face curve. Right face curve, right face curve. This one is circle. This one is circle. Again, Nana, I repeat, you also repeat after me. Standing line, sleeping line, left face curve, right face curve, circle. Again, standing line, sleeping line, left face curve, right face curve, circle. Very good. Again, standing line, sleeping line, louder, left face curve, right face curve, circle. Okay, Nana. Now you understood these strokes. What is the use of these strokes? If you know these strokes, Nana, you can write numbers 0 to 9. I will show. First, if you want to write 0, write direct, Nana, circle, circle, circle. This one is 0. This one is 0, 0. If you want to write, Nana, number 1, this is standing line. Right here. This one is 1. This one is 1. Standing line becomes 1. O-N-E, 1. Standing line, 1. If you want to write, Nana, 2, first write a right face curve. This one is right face curve. Here, right face curve. Then write a sleeping line. First, Nana, right face curve. Then write sleeping line. It becomes 2. T-W-O, 2. T-W-O, 2. Okay. Suppose, Nana, if you want to write 3. This is right face curve. Right face curve. First write right face curve. Again write one more right face curve. First, Nana, right face curve. Again right face curve. It has become 3. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Okay. If you want to write, Nana, 4. 3 after 4. So first write, Nana, standing line. First write standing line. Next sleeping line. Next sleeping line. Next again write standing line. It becomes 4. See. First standing line. Next sleeping line. Again standing line. It is 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Right, Nana. If you want to write again 5. First, Nana, write standing line. Next right face curve. Again write above or top sleeping line. That becomes 5. First nana standing line, first step. Second step is right face curve. Now third step is sleeping line top. Okay na? That becomes 5. F-I-V-E 5. Okay. Next nana 6. First right nana left face curve. This one is left face curve. Left face curve. Right again right face curve. Right face curve. It becomes 6. First nana left face curve. Next start from middle to again right face curve. It becomes 6. SIX 6. SIX 6. If you want to write 7. 7 nana first write sleeping line. This one is sleeping line. Again write standing line. That is a 7. First nana sleeping line. Next write standing line. So it becomes 7. S-E-V-E-N. Next one write 8. If you want to write 8, see first write one circle. One circle. Okay, again write circle. But first join this circle also. 2 circles. Okay, now join in middle. Okay. First write one circle. Again write one more circle. So it becomes 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. So first write now left face curve. This one is left face curve. Right standing line. First left face curve, then right standing line. It becomes 9. N-I-N-E. Okay, Nana. So first learn these strokes. Then you can write easily this 0 to 9 numbers. If you know these numbers, you can write any number. Okay, now if you want to write suppose 10, 1, 0, 10, 1, 0, 10, or 21, 2, 1, 21 like that. First mathematics basics nana 0 to 9 numbers. So before that, we have to learn these strokes. Again I repeat nana. So remember and practice. I will give the homework also. Standing line, sleeping line. Next nana left face curve, right face curve, circle. Okay, this numbers nana. This is 1. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 0, 0, 0. Right. 1, 2, 3. Repeat loudly. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pause. Okay. Right, Nana? Now again I am writing numbers from 0 to 9 by using these strokes. First learn strokes. Standing line, sleeping line, left face curve, right face curve, last one on a circle. Again I want to write numbers 0 to 9 by using these strokes. First if you want to write 0, write direct circle. Circle. It is a 0. What this nana? 0. If you want to write nana number 1, write first standing line. Standing line. It becomes 1. O-N-E 1. If you want to write 2, first write nana right face curve. Right face curve. This is right face curve. Right again sleeping line. It becomes 2. T-W-O 2. If you want to write 3, so right face, first write on right face curve. This is a right face curve. Again write one more right face curve. This also one right face curve. Right face curve, right face curve. Okay, now that becomes 3. So 3. T-H-R-E. E. 3. If you want to write the number 4, first write Nana standing line. This one is standing line. Next step, sleeping line. Third step is again standing line. It becomes 4. First standing line, next sleeping line, next again standing line. It becomes 4. F-O-U-R. 4. If you want to write number 5, first write standing line. Next Nana right face curve, second step. On the top right again sleeping line. It becomes 5. 5. Again Nana, I will write how to write 5 by using the strokes. First standing line, second step is right face curve. On the top right again sleeping line. That becomes 5. Next Nana 6. Write the left face curve first. Left face curve. This one is the left face curve. Now write again right face curve from the middle and join this bottom. That becomes 6. First Nana left face curve. Again right face curve. That becomes 6. If you write 7. First write sleeping line. Sleeping line. Next write standing line. Sleeping line, standing line. It is 6 Nana, this is 7. So 6 also I am right spelling S-I-X 6. Now it is a 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Next Nana 8. Right circle. Right circle. Write one more circle. But join the 2 circles. It becomes 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9 Nana. First write left face curve. This is the left face curve. This is the left face curve. Write the standing line. So it becomes 9. N-I-N-E 9. Again Nana listen. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again Nana. So I repeat, you also repeat after me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So first Nana practice these strokes. Okay na? Then you write the numbers by using these strokes. So I am requesting the parents first to make your children perfection in strokes. Then practice 0 to 9 numbers. In next class I will write again the number 0 to 9. Next 10 to 20 numbers. So thank you children.